Welcome to Inspirational Bible Stories with Questions and Answers, a unique YouTube channel designed to enlighten and inspire you through the timeless stories of the Bible. Whether you are a devoted follower of faith or simply curious about these ancient texts, our channel offers valuable insights and engaging content that caters to all. Inspirational Bible Stories with Q&A is the perfect platform for learning the books of the Bible in an engaging and accessible way. Our channel is meticulously crafted for use as a teaching tool in various settings, such as Sunday school classes, women's groups, or for enriching your personal knowledge at home. We believe that understanding the Bible should be an enjoyable journey, and our videos are designed to reflect that. Here's what we offer. Colorful visuals. Each story is brought to life through vibrant and colorful visuals, making the lessons not only informative, but also visually captivating. Scripture verses. Accompanying each story are appropriate scripture verses, ensuring that you gain a deeper understanding of the Bible's teachings. Interactive learning. After each story, we provide thought-provoking questions and answers to encourage reflection and discussion. Join us on this enlightening journey and deepen your understanding of these sacred texts with our thoughtfully curated content. Subscribe today and start exploring the timeless wisdom of the Bible with us.